Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Dia Outro 14-inch full-size bed frame with headboard, a heavy-duty metal platform designed for durability and comfort. This bed frame boasts a time-tested structure with reinforced metal slats, ensuring a noise-free experience and eliminating the need for a box spring, as its sturdy steel slats can support latex, memory foam, or innerspring mattresses directly. With a minimalist and high headboard design, it complements any bedroom decor, providing a comfortable spot to sit and relax with a book or your favorite TV show. The powder-coated finish not only adds a sleek look but also makes cleaning a breeze, while the easy assembly process means you can have it set up in just a few steps with all necessary tools included in the package. Plus, the 12 inches of space under the bed offers ample room for storage boxes, helping you keep your bedroom tidy and organized. This full bed frame fits a 75 by 54 inches mattress, making it a perfect choice for those seeking both style and functionality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.